subject. And the last, our daily
transportation is
motorcycle.
okay, not the electric one, the Chinese electric cycle. Okay, good job. Right, good job, Bu Santi club group, and then Bu Santi, Bu Katrin group, and then Bu Santi group is done, and then Bu Salama and Bu Dina. What are the two things in common you both have? The first one,
We are the same
frequency, the same person, same teacher. Yep.
Next, we are our hobby is like watching.
What? Watching
drama.
Drama? Korean, Thailand, or Russian? Korean drama?
Yes.
Okay. Then you can update the new drama. When does the program finish? A. December. B. June. C. September. And then all of your answer is June. Double June. Okay, let's see the answer. Is it correct? Yeah, the answer is June. Ya, masih lama ya kayaknya. Tapi 8 pertemuan ini nggak kerasa, ibu-ibu. Ya, karena 2 minggu sekali. Okay, next question. The second question. How many hours a week will you study online? A. 3 until 5 hours. B. 2 hours. C. 9 to 10 hours. Ini yang online, berarti yang di rumah ya. Ada disebutkan tadi pas opening sama closing ceremony, ada disebutkan Mem Santi berapa hours untuk belajar online-nya yang menghadapi websitenya. Kalau yang pertemuan kan kita 2,5 jam. Online-nya? Oke, kita lihat jawaban berikutnya. Yep, the answer is oke. Tolong ya jawab ini. Oke, 1, 2, 3. Dia, Catherine, Marta, Nori, Hari, Dina, Salama, Andi, Nindi, Santi. You may sit down, thank you. Silakan duduk dulu. Yes, no? Yes, no? India?
No. Malaysia.
Oh, Malaysia. One, two things. And then do you have what are you most excited about learning? Yeah, English.
Well, from these lessons, I'm interested in learning all of these lessons, right? But when I read some of the units, I am excited about learning unit 2, like managing the classrooms, because
That's your challenge in your school.
That's every teacher.
Okay, every teacher said, yep.
How we
Manage our
the
class.
students in the classroom, especially when we manage 40 students.
Yep.
And it's only us. It's only we sitting in front of
You have 40 students in the class?
Yes, exactly.
What in the reality? In your class?
I just teach 20 up to 30.
30 students.
Yeah.
Okay, how many class do you teach?
I teach only 5.
5
classes.
So per week, how many hours you got for teaching?
10 hours.
10 hours.
Per week
Okay,
is
sisanya guru kelas ya.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 Thank you, Bu Nindi, Bu Anti. Do you have? What do you already do in English, for instance? You both in the same school, ya? Right? Okay.
Lebih ke kebiasaan sih.
Mm,
Kayak
yeah.
kan kalau dibiasakan jadi ingat.
Mhm.
Kayak misalnya awal kan good morning,
Aha.
good morning, mereka apa sih selamat pagi gitu.
Mhm.
Nah jadi dikasih tahu ke mereka, how are you today?
Mhm.
Apa mereka masih belum tahu. Jadi
Oh, okay.
terus kalau sudah di akhir nih, goodbye,
Sampai jumpa. Do you also teach English with singing a song for elementary school? Siapa di sini selain Bu Nindi, Bu Anti, elementary school, Bu Nori, ya? Tematik SD, Min, MI, Min 3, Bu Dina, SMK sama, ya. Sambil nyanyi juga nggak ada nyanyi misalnya singing an English song, something like that, ada? Oh, are you sleeping? Kalau SD-nya lebih suka kadang ada yang bisa nyanyi juga ya dan lain-lain. Sorry?
We use Rolling English book from Erlangga, and there's always song in one unit. So every unit has song. So
Okay.
we must be able to sing.
Sing that song also. The two things you both have in common. The first one?
Okay, this one we are same as a teacher.
Job, of course. Different place, yeah. In the same city, right? Masih di Palangkaraya still. Okay. And then the second one?
The second is we are same hobbies. Our hobbies is cooking and
Eating. Oh, cooking and traveling.
Kita mengajarkan kayak keduli itu namanya mengajarkan misalnya suruh cari kata benarnya nama yang maksud nama benar bisnisnya biasanya kayak gitu senang sih mereka kalau apalagi jam 1 siang.
Jam 1 siang. Itu gimana bahasa Inggris bisa masuk di siang hari ya?
Saya mengajarkan
Tantangan lagi. Oh my god. But you're doing a great job, Lali, ibu-ibu ya. Salama, maybe? Do you have what do you do already in English for your class, maybe?
Ngajar bahasa Inggris mungkin sama seperti teman-teman yang lain. Saat pertama masuk berarti selain assalamualaikum greeting dulu. Kemudian kalau ada mungkin yang ribut langsung bilang saya Louis, gitu. Kemudian kalau ada biasanya tugas atau apa, kalau yang dikerjakan oleh siswa dengan hasil yang bagus itu feedbacknya wow good job di